The Galaxy S25 series launch and the bumpy rollout of One UI 7 are now in the past, and Samsung is already switching gears in preparation for its next major announcement, which is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 foldables. Over the previous few years, it appears that these devices may be released sooner than anticipated this year. If the rumors are true, Samsung has been progressively inching forward its foldable launch timeline. The Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 are expected to debut in early July, which would be the start of foldable season. However, a new article from June Gang indicates that Samsung is planning to hold an Unpacked event in New York this time around. This is somewhat of a homecoming, given that the previous Unpacked in New York City was for the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 back in 2022. Since then, Samsung has been jetting across the globe. The Galaxy's Fold 6 and Flip 6 were unpacked in Paris, while the Galaxy S25 was unveiled in sunny San Jose, California. With July 4th being a significant holiday in the United States, Samsung will probably want to avoid stealing the spotlight from the fireworks, which would place the likely dates for the event between July 1st, 2, or 7. If Samsung is truly feeling the heat of the competition, they may push for an even earlier launch to stay ahead of the curve. So, what may we anticipate from the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Even if the Z Fold 6 didn't exactly wow people with its mostly incremental changes, the Fold 7 might be where things really start to heat up. It's not expected to be a complete redesign, but insiders suggest it will offer more meaningful improvements than we've seen in the previous couple of years. To begin with, the Fold 7 is rumored to be Samsung's thinnest foldable ever, potentially measuring less than 10 mm thick when folded. This is a significant achievement, particularly for those who have been hesitant about foldables due to their bulk. On top of that, it might include a bigger 8-inch inner display, giving users even more space to work, watch, and multitask. And here's where things get really interesting: camera upgrades. Rumor has it that the Fold 7 could be using the 200-megapixel primary sensor from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. That's some serious photo power. Furthermore, we may finally see an improved under-display camera with sharper resolution and better image clarity, which users have been hoping for since the early Fold days. Of course, all of this is still technically rumor territory, and we'll need to wait for official sources or Samsung's own teaser campaigns to confirm anything. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.